Located at the southern end of the Appalachian Mountains, the Tallapoosa River winds 258 miles from western Georgia into eastern Alabama. The Tallapoosa River flows through stretches of lush countryside that help preserve its natural beauty and solitude. Along the 25-mile stretch of water, visitors discover the mighty waterway that winds and spills along the Piedmont. Pause along your journey to witness the unique perspective of a fierce battle fought long ago, and wonder in the beauty of the shoal lily as the adventure of an incredible day comes to an end.